Hi, I'm Veronica with Vision Marketing and welcome to Tip of the Week. This week we're going to discuss networking. We always recommend some sort of offline or online networking, but for today's tip we're going to discuss offline networking groups. Some of the things that you want to remember when you venture out to start networking is to find groups, whether they be casual groups, knowledge groups, or business lead groups that you may want to get involved in. You want to treat these just like any other relationship. First, of course, by building a relationship with people that you might interact with. Even if you're shy, you're going to need to get out there, start to meet people, ask them questions about their business, things that interest them, maybe things they might need help with, and then work on forming the relationship. After you've met them, after the networking event, maybe send them a thank you, send them articles that might interest them, but stay in touch with them one way or another. And last but not least is, of course, follow up and follow through. This is where we see some of our biggest errors with networking is people not following up and following through. So stay in touch with your contacts, try not to drop off the face of the earth, and stay in contact with them as often as you can. Of course, try not to be too annoying, but at the same time, look for events that are going to interest you, so when you do start to network, you feel a little more comfortable, especially if you're a shy person. So a couple of these would be more of a casual group, so keep in mind something like Networking Phoenix. You can also look for more specific knowledge groups like Arizona Medical Group Management Association, Arizona Healthcare Financial Management Association, Valley of the Sun Human Resource Association, or more of a business league group such as BNI. There's chapters all over the valley, so any one of these groups could be of importance to you when you are networking. So if you want more information, follow us on Facebook or connect with us on our blog. Thank you.